Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Microsoft Excel. Today's most of the people using QR code for transform the data. For example, if you would like to create a QR code from web URL, then you can easy to create its Excel template. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. First you have to open the Office 365 version Excel. Then you have to go to File. Then you have to click on the New. So in the New section, a lot of template available. Here you have to search the QR code. It will be filter the QR code generator. You have to click on the QR code generator. Then you have to click to create. It will be open the QR code generator page. Here you can add any one of the websites. So I would like to add our YouTube channel URL. So we have to paste here. That's it. So then we have to add the style. By default it shows the square. You have to change as you need. So a lot of options they have provided. You can change as you need. Then the color gradient also you can change. Vertical. I would like to maintain only for the solid fill. Then the background color white, but you can change as any one of color. The fill color also you have to change white. That's it. After created everything, you can directly export as a PDF file. You can save as PDF or any other format. It's easy. You can check it out. You can save this sample QR code. That's it. You can check it out. The QR code has been generated. So in this way, you can create the QR code from Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.